This is a look at the upper part. The ports aren't huge, but they are definitely supported. I didn't actually measure the valves yet, but they're not the biggest you could run, but the intake is bigger than the exhaust. They've been drilled so you can use like just a little Allen wrench or a drill stuck through there so you can adjust. Right there, the lifters. There's the seat that came out. They made their backup run at over 200 miles an hour with that out of his, well, obviously lodged itself back in right there. It's got a couple of little block offs right here to use the 59AB style heads on this block. Decks are really nice. I don't know if they modified this thing to bypass the oil or not. I'll have to look at it. Oh, a little plug in the... Oh, look, this was a 1BA block also. Oh, that's cool. So the theory is this didn't have seats to begin with. Oh, but they sure look like they're kind of loose. That's interesting. See, a little didn't really relieve the block. They just did a little work around here.